What is up, you guys? Welcome back. This is MotoCap, and today we're gonna be installing the bar and mirrors. Purchased these online for about, I think it was like $10-15 around there on Amazon. Saw a guy on YouTube do them, and I was pretty hesitant about it because I wasn't sure if this came with a hole in the center of the bar or not. But from the video that the guy posted, he says it has this mechanism in it, so all you gotta do is just screw it in there. So I'm gonna have to cut a little hole right over here with a knife, and then I heard the tricky part was this side. Cut a hole through here, but when I screw it in, the mirror itself will actually touch the grip at the edge, and every time you pull the throttle, the mirror will turn. So I think the guy cut a little bit of extra on it just so it's not touching the grip. I might put some spacers or something. I don't know. I'll see what I can do with that, but I'm gonna try it. So here we go. As you can see, I hope you can see it. Let me see if I could see myself. There's a little hole there, a little screw. So yeah, it does have it. So let's go ahead and install this one. All right. It's not bad. This looks pretty cool. Just gonna have to adjust it later. I want to get on it and then measure it to my angle, I guess you can say. All right, I guess I gotta do the other one now. This is one I'm a little nervous about because it's a throttle and it has a turn. But we'll go ahead and try it out. Yeah, so there it is. See that? It's already gonna start. So I'm going to buy something, or I can cut a little extra of the grip. Alright guys, so I figured something out for now. This is gonna be temporary. So because of the throttle, it would, turn the mirror. I added this. It's not really a spacer. It came with the mirrors. For example, so if you can see right here, this is like, take this off. Take this little part off because it's longer. So that's that. And what I did was I kind of just inserted that in there and used it as a spacer and just screwed it on. So now it won't move. If I pull the throttle, it won't move. And it's gonna bug me the fact that one has it and this one doesn't. So I'm just gonna add it on this one, and probably keep that look just until I have time to go and measure it and buy a spacer for it, maybe a Home Depot or something. That way it could be a little more flush, a little bit smaller. Who knows, maybe I might just cut these to the size. Hopefully that'll work, but I don't really have a saw. So this is gonna work for now. It's not that bad. I could probably cover it with something, I don't know, zip ties, make it look black, but it's not really bugging me as much. It's just gonna bug me if that one has it and this one doesn't. So I'm gonna keep it like that for now, and I'm gonna add this one to this one. So I'll show you guys a little update in a bit. So I'm done. I have the spacer, wannabe spacer to this side as well. That's what else on that side. So let's go ahead and just see how this looks. And yeah, honestly, it does not bug me as much as I thought it would. Gotta fix this side, you can still fix it a bit. Same with this side. Sorry, I have my ice cream. Yeah, does not bug me. Maybe I might just keep them like that. Now these I have to remove, which I could just unscrew them with a bit of pressure. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. So hey guys, there you have it. Small little spacers. Doesn't bug me at all. Fixes the whole. It fixed the whole, you know, throttle side. I can't just add it on this side. I didn't have to add it on this side, but I wanted to just keep it similar, the same, because it'll bug me. And then I took off the things, and yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a little dusty. I might give her a little clean up right now. But yeah, it looks good. So I will drop a link on the mirrors that I bought. And I hope this helped you out. It took me a while. It took me about an hour and 20 minutes just to figure this out. I finally figured it out. Temporarily, I guess, but like I said, I might keep them. So yeah, so if you're planning on doing this, I hope this helped, and see you guys in the next one.